everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be showing how can we make a top-down scrolling platformer, which is called ᴅᴇsɪḽ. And as you can see here, I had made a game called Trouble in Thailand a while ago, and it had become quite popular at the time. The game had controls like left, right, up, down, arrow keys to move, and if you're a mobile user, then you could also select a mobile mode option by which you get a wheel which you can turn the arrow at the direction you want to move. The basic goal of the game was to find and reach a green colored tile at every level, and you also had to avoid dangers like hot tiles and fragile tiles. So let's start with the tutorial. Firstly, we will select to paint a new sprite ourselves. In this case, I am making a very simple character. You can design it in any way, but remember to keep a body and legs too. We saw in the reference game, which is Trouble in Thailand, that the characters' movements were more realistic as they had walk cycle. So in order to include a walk cycle, we will make several costumes, and in each of them, we will move the legs as we do in real life while walking. You can create about nearly 20 costumes for a smooth walk cycle. Therefore, we will first create a basic walk cycle code by just making the sprite turn right and keep changing costumes while the right arrow key is pressed. And so we will not forget to add a set rotation style to left-right block at the first. We will duplicate the whole code for when right arrow key is pressed and add it to that same forever loop itself, but by changing the if key right arrow pressed to if key left arrow pressed. As you can see, it does not look very realistic as both of the legs are at the front of his body. That's why we will shift its legs a bit downwards, and we will also put one of his legs at the back of the body and let one of his leg be at the front of the body